What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing something different. We will be unboxing this bad boy. It's the new Fox V3 helmet from Fox with MVRS. So let's see what's inside. I bought this just before the lockdown started. I've been wanting to do a little unpackaged video for you guys and a product review because there was none on the internet that I could find. Well, there was, but just a bit more, not in depth and technical, but just to see what it's like once you get this thing. So this is what's all in the box. There's a pamphlet over there. Helmet comes in a nice little bag, which is sweet. Over here, it just shows you the fluid inside. Gives you a little. Let me put this thing down. It just shows you the little pad that you get. This is the technology that they use. Let's see if I can get in here for you guys. See, it's like a gel, a fluid inside that just moves around and protects. So that's pretty cool, just so that you can see. They use a manual, standard, and then the helmet itself. So bag is pretty cool. Little side pocket. Over here, I just keep my gloves. Can probably put something else in there. Let's see. So this is the helmet. The inside is pretty cool. Nice and soft to help you protect your lid. If you're pedantic like me, I hate it when my stuff gets scratched, so that's pretty cool. Even though you can't keep these things nice and shiny forever, they do tend to scratch. So this is it. To me, this is one of the most beautiful, best looking lids out there. I just like the aggressive lines on it and the way it looks. It's one sexy lid. I was looking at this and the Bell, the Moto 9 Flex, and eventually just decided to go for this lid. As you can see, the vents on it, it's very big. There's a lot of airflow that can come in on the sides. Over there as well, the goggle goes in nicely. As you can see, these are the Omegas. It's pretty big. It goes in much better than on that one. It fits really nice. I haven't ridden with those. I'll do a review on that later. But on the inside, strap is very secure. There you can see what it's like. So before I did this review, I went on the internet and I just had a look at it to see if it's something that I would buy or end up buying. I took the size large. I actually went into the shop, fitted the helmet, and when I phoned in, I asked them for a medium because that lid is a medium and it's a perfect fit. And when I phoned them, they said, "What do you normally wear?" And I said a medium, and then they said, "You have to take the large." So I went in, had a little fit, and the large is what fits me the best. I don't like it when my helmet is too loose or when it's too tight, and this is it's just perfect. But I do recommend everyone go in and just fit and see what fits you best. And obviously you have to choose a helmet on what you like and what your budget is like. On this thing, one of the reviews that I said or saw on the internet, it shows these vents, and the guy that did the review, I can't remember his name, was going on about how the vents are here, but the helmet is not. The padding on the inside, if you have a look here, it says the padding isn't vented. So the thing is, the padding does not have to be vented because the one vent is actually over here. You can't see it right now. It's over there. That'll be this vent. And then this vent is over there. So the padding is shaped around it. So the air will come through. You will cool down. It's vents over here going in, coming out, the exhaust vents. I did put the number 22 on there. It's the date of my fiance's birthday and the same date as my little daughter. Over there you'll see it's size large. So yeah, on the vents you can see behind it, it seems like it's blocked out. It's a little dust cover over there. It's the same on the front. I would suggest you can remove those. I'll probably remove them at a later stage. More air will go through, but that will also allow dust to come through. The one thing I don't like is this white padding. The padding, look, I guess it looks cool and everything with the rest of the lid, but I'll probably change this out at a later stage as this becomes dirty and so on for black, if I can get my hands on that. The visor, it's a magnetic release, so it's very simple, but not with one hand. There you go. See, just goes off. They've updated this apparently from the previous versions. The previous versions, it came off very easily with roost hitting it. I'll be using this mainly for enduro. It's not the lightest helmet out there. It actually weighs, get the scale over here. Scale is down to 0. Let's see if I can balance it on it. That's not going to work. $1.5 kilograms. 1.5. I can show you on the inside if you want to see. If you remove the padding over here, clips out very easily. It has these little thingies, I don't know, there's Velcro, like little clips. It snaps into place just like that. Done. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll be doing some other reviews on the goggles, all of that. I'll be doing an update review later on this lid where I actually use it while riding to give you some proper feedback. This is just the unboxing. Like I said, it's lockdown right now. Everything is silly. I don't want to take the chance to go riding and get locked up. But that's it. Still one of the best looking lids for me, no matter what anyone says. My opinion, and that's all that matters to me, right? There you go. This is the same helmet that Manny Letzenberg, if I say his name right, uses. Obviously different colors and so on. So I don't think nowadays there's a say in what helmet is an enduro helmet, which helmet is a motocross helmet. You see people wearing motocross helmets, which for enduro, and aero helmets for motocross, and it's just a mix and match. Obviously the price point for this in South Africa is 10,000 rands, but if you shop around, you can get it off some bargains on it and get a few rands off. In the US, I think the price is $500, $520 if I'm not mistaken for this color scheme. I don't know why it's a bit more than the plain solid ones, but it is Fox's premium lineup. It's their most expensive helmet. So yeah, so let's hope it does its job, because that's all you want at the end of the day. And that's it, guys. That's my review. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the lid? And I'm looking forward to doing some more videos for you guys. Got a few different things lined up. And that's about it, guys. Like I say, from my side, it all comes down at the end of the day, what you like, what your preference is, what your budget is, and that's it. Peace out, guys. Hope you have a good one. Stay safe.